Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a white tiger. So before we get started with our white tiger, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know something you would like to learn how to draw. And if you're new here, please feel free to subscribe and stick around for all of our daily doodles. So I'm going to get started. Let's start with the eye. So let's see, I'm gonna do a little shape like this, and then I'm gonna do a little curve here. And then inside, I'm gonna do a big U shape, and I'm gonna color that U shape in all black. Now, right here, let's thicken up under the eye, like that. So let's color this in all black. All right, so next thing, let's give some space, and we're gonna make the other eye. So we're just gonna do like the mirror image of what we just did. So we do that first shape, and then the inside curve here, and that great big U colored in all black, and thicken up down here and make that all dark. So I don't think the eyes I have drawn here are a perfect match, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's not about perfect. It's all about practicing and just having fun with drawing and what you're doing. All right, so next step we're gonna do, let's leave a bit of room here and do a nose. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a curve here. And we can do kind of like a little triangle. But it's a upside down, funny looking triangle. And on the sides here, I'm going to do a little funny shape. These are going to be the nostrils, and I'll color those in all black. Next, I can do a little line right here, and I'm going to kind of do this little upside down V shape. So from that upside down V shape, we're going to do a big curve here. Same on the other side. And now I'm going to put a line here. So we've got another triangle, and I'll color that in all black. And now let's do the bottom of the mouth. And you can see I'm just doing little strokes with my pen. It just helps to show the texture of the fur. And I'm gonna be doing little strokes like that in other places on the tiger as well. All right, so next thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna do a little bit of a line here and on the other side of the nose too. And now up here a little bit, let's do a little curve here for the shape of the head. And we can do a little ear. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. And put a little few lines inside. And now I'm going to do some of those strokes of pen here. And I'm going to do that all along here and here. But I'm just going to be curving along, making that face shape. So some of these strokes of fur can be longer, shorter, doesn't matter. All right, so now let's do some of the designs on our tiger, some of the stripes. So right here, let's do a bit of a point. And I'm gonna kind of come in like that and color it in. And a little bit here and here. A little bit there and there. And you don't have to follow along with exactly what I'm doing. But if you want to try to make it as closely as what I'm doing, then you certainly can. But you can also kind of make up your own designs and just kind of be creative with it. It's all up to you. I'm sure whatever you decide to do, your picture is going to look really good. So I'm just kind of having fun with it as I'm going. So I'm going to do another bit here over the eye. It's kind of like a sideways V, or like a funny eyebrow. And let's see, a little bit here under the eye. And here near the mouth. And I don't have these pieces colored in dark very well. I'm gonna go over them a little bit later, I think, with my black Sharpie here. I'm just kind of placing where they are right now. So a little silly one right here, and come on up a bit with it. And try to do the same over on that side, but it doesn't have to be perfect. And color it in. And a bit up here by the ear. Another bit here. And I'm just kind of filling in some spots where I feel like maybe it would go. Put a few little dots around here where we're going to have some whiskers now shortly. I'll put a few whiskers in. So we can just have some little fast strokes here for whiskers. And I'm going to make the top of the ear here pretty dark. And on this side. All right, so now let's work a little bit more with the body. So I'm going to start with a line here. And another one here. And we're going to come on down. And this is going to be one of the front arms or front legs. And let's see, over on this side here by the ear. Bring down this shape. And these are pretty big, thick legs. Very, very strong animals. And let's see, let's do another one. So he's kind of moving towards us. So up here, we can see a bit of the back. We're going to line it up with right here. You can see that this line would be going behind the ear. And bring this down. And we'll see a little bit of a foot here. We'll have 1, 2, 3 little toes peeking out. And I'm gonna put a tail. Let's see, we'll have a little bit of a tail here, but it's kind of off in the distance here in the back, so we won't see a whole lot of it. Just do a little bit of a curve here. All right, so now let's work on some more stripes. So I'm gonna put one here. And I'm just kind of putting them in wherever. Just kind of a little bit scribbly with it, but I'm gonna go over them after with my marker, so they're gonna be less scribbly looking. And of course you can make these stripes thicker or thinner, it's up to you. A few here on the tail. And we'll see some in the back here. And some here. All right, so let's see. I think that's pretty much it for all the stripes I want to add. But as no, I'll put one more right here. All right, but as of right now, yeah, I think I'm gonna start with some coloring. The thing about a white tiger is that he's mostly white. So the only colors I'm really gonna use, I'm gonna use a little bit of pink for the nose. I'm gonna have a gray for some of the shading, darker spots, a black to go over some of the stripes, and I'm gonna have a blue for his eyes. So I'm gonna speed up this part. All right, so we are finished drawing the white tiger. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. Goodbye!